In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a link or button to your page, upload a file, and save your work. Whether you're designing a website or updating your blog, these simple, straightforward actions will elevate your content and provide your audience with valuable resources. By the end of this session, you'll have a grasp of integrating these elements seamlessly into your digital space. Let's get started by talking about the process of adding a link or a button. Adding these elements to your page is not only visually appealing, but also provides a direct pathway for your users to access more information or download files that can enrich their experience. When you add a button or a link, consider the placement carefully. It should be easily noticeable without overwhelming the other page content. Ideally, it should stand out just enough to invite interaction without being intrusive. Choose colors and fonts that align with the overall design of your page to maintain a cohesive look. Once you have determined the ideal location and style, hover to the section of your page where you want to insert the link or button. Next, let's dive into uploading the file you want to link. This is an essential step, as the file will act as the resource users can download or access by clicking your link or button. Whether it's a PDF, image, or any other document, ensure that your file is appropriately named and that it reflects the content accurately. This will help users understand exactly what they are downloading. To upload the file, navigate to the File Upload section. Here you'll be prompted to select the file from your device. Once you have chosen the correct file, confirm the upload. Depending on the file size, the upload might take a few moments. Be patient and make sure it's completely uploaded before moving on. Now, we reach the point where our link, button, and uploaded file come together. Once your file is uploaded, copy the file URL or location. Then, head back to the link or button you've inserted on your page. Paste this URL into the designated field for links. This step creates a direct connection between the link or button and the uploaded file. It's a good practice to test it at this point to ensure the link functions as intended. A quick check can save you from potential issues down the line and also guarantees a smooth experience for your users. Finally, let's talk about saving your changes. This is a crucial step because you don't want to lose your hard work and effort. Make sure every element is functioning as it should and everything looks cohesive. Once you're satisfied, navigate to the Save or Publish option on your platform. Click to confirm your changes, allowing them to go live on your site. Remember, frequently saving your changes as you go along is a good habit to prevent any accidental loss of data. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add a link or button to your page, upload a file, and save your progress with confidence. Keep practicing this process, and soon it will become second nature, allowing you to add interactive and informative elements to any page effortlessly.